In July 2017, we released the white paper, An Executive's Guide to Database Management ROI. In this video, we're going to explore some of the topics it covers. It is estimated that by 2018, more than 70% of new applications will be developed using freely available open source database technology. Coupled with the projection by Gartner that the commercial database market is decreasing, this means that now is the time to begin exploring open source as an option for your environment. Within this market are many variations and forks of technologies, each offering their own unique improvements and modifications to the original. While the emerging databases and new forks can be an exciting topic, the reality is that an estimated 72% of the revenue within this market comes from only the top 5 vendors. Inside your organization, you have to ask yourself whether your infrastructure and team have the expertise and tools it takes to keep an open source database running securely. If your company does not have these things in place, you can be prone to the downsides of open source. With publicly available code, it's easy for those who wish to take advantage to do so. It's important to understand the true costs of securely implementing a free technology solution. IDC estimated that, on average, it costs 4 times more than the purchase price to manage a database. At a high level, you will need a number of IT staff proportionate to the amount of data being managed. This team has to have the knowledge to be able to perform the required management or customization, or you have to balance the team size and knowledge with tools that will help automate the database lifecycle. What is not often considered when making a purchase decision is the opportunity cost of lost revenue caused by downtime. Gartner estimated that customers lose, on average, $5,600 in lost revenue for each minute of downtime. Because the open source community is constantly innovating, you also have to factor in the cost of keeping your team knowledgeable on the new technologies and tools available. This is exponentially multiplied when different database technologies are being utilized. There are 3 main forms managing your open source databases can take: doing it in-house manually, using an outside support or consulting service, or utilizing a combination of in-house with professional tools. Many of the companies which create the technologies provide support for them. This allows your team to leverage true experts in the technology to ensure your implementations are managed correctly. The third option, utilizing a combination of in-house resources and professional tools, is where ClusterControl fits in. ClusterControl's mission is to enable its users to easily deploy, manage, monitor, and scale open source databases. To accomplish everything that ClusterControl does would take many cobbled together tools and solutions, each requiring their own expert knowledge and support. Supporting more than 24 SQL and NoSQL database versions and proxies, ClusterControl can save you more than $33,000 per year in reduced headcount. At the heart of ClusterControl is automation. Whether you are automating simple or complex daily tasks, it allows you to remove the chance of human error and establish layers of redundancy to ensure your databases stay online and performing. To learn more about database management ROI, make sure to download the white paper today. Why not try ClusterControl for yourself? Download ClusterControl for free at Severalnines.com.